Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at eToro and eToroX. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. eToro Group was founded in 2007 and has evolved into one of the most trusted and most popular social trading platforms in the world. In 2018, eToroX was launched to offer an institutional-grade cryptocurrency exchange to eToro's existing clients and potential investors. Over the years, eToro Group has earned the trust of more than 13 million users worldwide and consists of a popular social trading platform, a multi-asset investment platform, a cryptocurrency exchange for professional investors, and a secure crypto wallet. eToro is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, or CySEC, the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or ASIC, and is also fully compliant with the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, or MiFID. eToroX is one of the only exchanges regulated by the Gibraltar Financial Services Commission, and is one of the safest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It is also legally authorized by the Government of Gibraltar to offer distributed ledger technology, or DLT services, to the public, making eToroX much safer than most other exchanges. There are many perks to joining either eToro or eToroX, but let's find out why eToroX is one of our top-rated crypto exchanges for professional investors and high-net-worth individuals. eToroX uses a maker-taker model, as most crypto exchanges do, but what makes this exchange unique is that the model is inverted, so that taker fees can be reduced and rebates can be offered for improving the market liquidity of the exchange. The eToroX platform consists of a regulated cryptocurrency exchange and a secure wallet that can be used to store your digital assets. There are currently more than 70 trading pairs, 17 unique stablecoins, and over 80 tokenized assets that you can trade on eToroX. eToro's stablecoins can only be traded on the eToroX exchange. This exchange offers more than 80 popular cryptocurrencies that are primarily paired with stablecoins, which enables a less volatile market environment on the eToroX exchange. eToro's selection of ERC20 stablecoins gives this exchange a unique competitive advantage, as it is one of the only exchanges that offer this many stablecoins, and all these stablecoins offered on eToroX are backed by eToro. Whether you are trading crypto on eToro or using eToroX, you can stake the cryptocurrencies you are not trading to earn interest on them without the risk of trading in volatile markets. eToro provides a great selection of high-quality educational resources, covering everything from investments and stock trading to trading cryptocurrencies and learning how blockchains work. You can find detailed guides of popular cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, by visiting the eToro Academy page, and there are plenty of beginner-level and advanced courses that you can use to gain expert insights into trading. For the latest news updates, market insights, and investment tips, head over to the News and Analysis page. The eToro Bull Club is also a great source of inspiration and technical insights into trading. There are dozens of video interviews that you can watch to learn from industry leaders and professional traders. With eToro Plus, you will get access to daily analysis reports, weekly summaries, and in-depth articles on different industries and economic activities. eToro provides high-quality research material that can be used by retail clients and professional crypto traders. If you are interested in joining eToroX, you can create an account by visiting the official eToroX website and contacting the customer support team directly to submit your application. The eToroX exchange only accepts professional investors. However, you can still trade cryptocurrencies on eToro's social trading platform if you are a retail trader or just getting started with your crypto portfolio. To open an account on eToro's social trading platform, launch the eToro homepage and then click on the Start Investing button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If a friend referred you, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided. Next, what you'll want to do is verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. In order to open an account with eToroX, head over to the eToroX website. Once you're on the landing page, click on the Customer Support link, or click on Contact under the Support menu at the bottom of the homepage. Get in touch with eToroX's support team to begin your application. If your application is accepted, you'll be able to create an account and use the eToroX exchange. If you'll be opening an account on eToroX, you will first need a verified eToro account with two-factor authentication enabled. Once your eToroX or eToro account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. The eToro Money Wallet is a secure, beginner-friendly custodial wallet that can be used to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies. This wallet supports many cryptocurrencies and altcoins. It is free to download and can be downloaded on Apple and Android devices. eToro's wallet uses high-level security protocols to safeguard accounts and protect wallets against cyber attacks. eToroX charges no fees for sending or receiving transactions, and all ERC20 tokens can be stored in this wallet. You can also buy cryptocurrencies and altcoins directly from the eToro Money Wallet application, and if you are already using another wallet, you can easily transfer your assets to your existing wallet. If you are planning on opening a new third-party wallet for more utility and security, we would recommend using Trust Wallet, Ledger, or MetaMask. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets, which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. Trust Wallet is a great option if you'll be collecting NFTs, because you can store them in this wallet. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. Using a third-party wallet is safer in the long term, as the eToro Money Wallet uses hot storage, and some other wallets such as Ledger use offline cold storage, which is much safer. You can make a deposit using credit and debit cards, Skrill, Neteller, or bank transfer. If you'll be trading on eToro's social trading platform, simply log into your account. Click on Watch List and add some instruments to your watch list. Once you've chosen an instrument, click on the Invest button, set your parameters, and click on Open Trade to confirm your order. eToroX uses a more advanced layout, and you'll be using the traditional exchange layout when using this platform. So once you've opened an account with eToroX, you can log in and follow the same steps. eToro's customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can reach them via live chat or social media. You can also contact the eToroX customer support team directly by submitting a web ticket from the website. We would recommend visiting eToro's Help Center to see if your questions have already been answered, and if any of the articles and guides provided can help you along the way. So, what do we like about eToro and eToroX? eToroX is no longer available to retail traders, and only professional investors can use this platform. However, you can still trade cryptocurrencies on eToro and get access to smart portfolios, high-quality news and analysis, advanced trading tools, and copy trading services. With eToro, you can easily trade cryptocurrencies as a beginner or a professional. And eToro offers some of the best educational resources and guides on cryptocurrencies. eToro's copy trading features are available on all instruments, including cryptocurrencies. And joining eToro will give you access to some of the highest performing strategy providers in the world. So if it's your first time trading crypto, then we highly recommend choosing eToro. But if you've been trading for a while and you're ready to take your portfolio to the next level, then eToroX might give you the competitive edge you need. Also, if you are interested in creating an account, don't forget to bring some friends along to trade with you, so you can both claim your referral bonuses and get a head start on your trading career with one of the leading online exchanges in the industry. And that is our overview of eToro and eToroX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.